What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Real Estate Quickie, where you get to ask an attorney. And I know I've used this expression in the past to describe a guest, a rising star in the legal world, but our guest today has literally been ranked as a rising star by superlawyers.com and has worked for the probate judges in Miami-Dade County. Let's welcome Samah Abukhodeir, managing partner and founder at the Florida Probate and Family Law Firm. A little fun fact, she's also an adjunct professor at the Honors College and the Law School at FIU. Welcome, Sam.
Thank you.
All right, so here are a few questions that I usually get from clients and viewers that watch these videos. What happens when the owner of a property dies and the property remains vacant?
So, great question. Usually when a property is vacant, it's usual that there are squatters in the property. So what needs to happen is once an investor or someone who wants to purchase the property sees that property, they need to get in touch with a realtor like Carlos, who is familiar with the probate process, who will connect you to a probate attorney. And at that point, the heirs need to be found in order to properly administer the probate estate and be able to sell the property.
Okay, fantastic. So how is the process different when going through probate versus buying a property that's not going through probate?
So when going through the process of not buying a property through probate, you're looking at getting the contract signed and executed, getting your financing in order, and 30 to 45 day process usually, right? But with the probate process, it's a little bit different, a little bit more complicated. You have to get an executor or a personal representative appointed if it's a formal administration, and it usually is. And then you have to get the contract and appraisal. You need to get the heirs located so that they're able to consent to the sale if the judge requires it. And you need to get some comps. So there are different requirements in each county, but I've just gone over some of them in Miami-Dade County. And then once you get through that process, you'll be able to sell it through court order.
Excellent. Okay, you covered some of the answers to the next question. Is there anything you'd like to add to what the courts or the judges require to get this approved and moved ahead?
Yeah, so in the state of Florida, there's 3 different types of probates. There's small estates, which doesn't require an attorney. There's summary administration, which is under $75,000 in assets, not including exempt property and homestead property, or the person has passed away more than 2 years ago. And then there's formal administration. Usually when I've gone through a property that's vacant and the owner is deceased, you're usually looking at a formal administration. And these usually take no less than 9 months to administer, and it can take much longer depending on what's going on. We didn't predict COVID to happen, so right now things are a little bit behind, but that pretty much sums it up.
Excellent. That's really insightful. Thank you for all that info. And finally, to all the folks watching this video, I will definitely get you the contact info so you can connect with Sam on any of the topics we covered today, or subject matters in which he happens to be an expert, such as estate matters and guardianship matters. So thanks for tuning in, and connect with us when you can. Thank you, Sam.
Thank you for having me.